Alright guys, we have a question on the board. It reads, if in bracket a raised to power 2, b raised to power minus 3, c raised to power 3 over 4 divide a raised to power minus 1, b raised to power 4, and c raised to power 5 is equals to a raised to power p, b raised to power q, and c raised to power r. The question says, what is the value of p plus 2q? Alright, so the whole idea here is we want to simplify this side and compare the powers. We want to simplify the left hand side and compare the powers. So our first step, we are going to multiply this. Remember, we have a law of indices. If I have x raised to power n multiplied by y raised to power m into z, this means that we are going to multiply x, n will multiply what? Z. Alright, and y, m will multiply what? Z. So having established this, we are going to apply it here. So applying it, we have that, of course, a raised to power 2 times 3 over 4 multiplied by b raised to power minus 3 times 3 over 4 times c. C has a power of 1, so 1 times 3 over 4. So all this divided, we have a raised to power 1 minus 1 times b raised to power 4 times c raised to power 5. So we have this. Now for this, we can see that 2 can cancel here 1, 2 here is 2. So we have that as a raised to power what? We have 1 times 3, which is 3 over what? 2. For this, we have minus 3 times 3. So we have b raised to power minus 9 over 4. So 1 times 3 over 4 is 3 over 4. So we have times c raised to power 3 over 4. Divide by what? A raised to power minus 1 times b raised to power 4 times c raised to power 5. Alright, so if we simplify what we have further, of course, we are going to apply the law of indices. Of course, we are going to apply the division law. Remember, if I have a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m, it means what? So a raised to power what? N minus m. We are going to apply to this part, and this part. So if I do that, I'm going to have a raised to power what? 3 over 2 minus, okay, there's another minus 1, multiply b raised to power what? We have minus 9 over 4, minus 4. And finally, we have c raised to power what? 3 over 4 minus 5. So that's the expression we have. So solving this, we have a raised to power 3 over 2 plus 1 multiply b raised to power what? Is minus 9 over 4 minus 4 multiplied by c raised to power 3 over 4 minus 5. So we are going to solve the fractions. If we solve the fractions, because this is a, I have this as, okay, 3 over 2 plus 1 over 1 multiplied by b raised to power minus 9 over 4 minus 4 over 1 and c raised to power what? 3 over 4 minus 5 over 1. So from this, what I have is, I have my a raised to power 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 1 again is 2. Multiply b, 1 times minus 9 is minus 9, 4 times minus 4 is minus 16 divided by 4 times 1 is 4. Multiply by C, 3 times 1 or 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times minus 5 is minus 20. Divide 4 times 1 is 4. So this will give us a raised to the power what? 5 over 2 multiplied by b raised to the power minus 9 minus 16 will give us minus 25 over 4. And C, 3 minus 20 is minus 17 over 4. Okay, so from this, we should remember that all this was equals to A raised to the power P multiplied by B raised to the power Q and C raised to the power R. So if we compare powers, you see that P was what? P gives us 2 over 5. Okay, no. P gives us 5 over 2. Q gives us what? Minus 25 over 4. And R gives us what? Minus 17 over 4. But what we need in the equation is simply P and what? Q. So to solve for P plus 2Q, which is what the equation demands, we are simply going to substitute. So my P is 5 over 2 plus 2 multiply what? Minus 25 over 4. So if we solve this fraction, I have 5 over 2 plus times minus is minus. This can cancel out this. So we have this as what? 25 over what? 2. So simplifying this further, we see that we have a common denominator. So we can pick one. If you are solving fractions, when you have a common denominator, you pick one. So we can bring down the numerators 5 minus 25. So this will give us 5 minus 25 is minus 20 divided by 2. So our final answer is minus 10. Because 2 into 20 is 10. So that's the final answer to this question. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, share and like this video.